Hello.
Hello, teacher.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Mia.
And how old are you?
I'm 8 years.
What are your hobbies?
My hobby is draw.
And where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
What is your favorite subject?
I have Vietnamese and math.
Why?
I have Vietnamese and math.
I said, what is your favorite subject?
I have Vietnamese and science. I Vietnamese science.
Your favorite subject.
Right first.
Vietnamese, why? Why is Vietnamese your favorite subject?
Why Vietnamese and your favorites?
When is your birthday?
It's in December.
What do you want to drink?
I want some juice and lemon juice.
What do you want to eat?
I want some chicken.
What do you do on Saturday?
I have listened to music on Saturday.
What do you do on Monday?
I have studied at school on Mondays.
What time do you get up?
I get up as 5. I get up at 5 o'clock.
What time do you go to school?
I go to school at 6:30.
What time do you have breakfast?
I have breakfast at 5:30.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 9:50.
Where is your school?
It's in village.
How many buildings are there at your school?
There are 3 buildings. Are there?
How many computer rooms are there at your school?
I have. There is one computer room.
What subjects do you have on Monday?
I have Vietnamese and math.
What do you do at the weekend?
As I listen to music and chat with friends.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can.
What can you do?
My can swim. I can swim.
Okay, what can your mother do?
She can cooking.
What can your father do?
He can draw.
What can your sister do?
She can fly a bike.
What can your brother do?
No.
Okay. What do you do on Tuesday?
I study at school on Tuesday.
When do you have maths?
I have it on Monday to Friday.
Okay. When is your sports day?
It's in December.
Where were you last summer?
I were Da Nang City.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.